Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy without sugar. First, gather your ingredients: a sugar substitute like erythritol or xylitol, water, and your favorite flavor extract. You'll also need a heat-safe pot, a stirring spoon, and clean glass jars. Don't forget skewers or string for the crystals to form on. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll create our saturated solution. Combine 2 cups of water with about 3 cups of your chosen sugar substitute in a heat-safe pot. Gently heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sweetener is completely dissolved. It's important not to boil the solution, as this can hinder proper crystal formation. Just ensure it's clear and uniform. Now, let's prepare for crystal growth. Carefully pour the warm, clear solution into your clean glass jars. Dip your skewers or string into the solution, then hang them in the jars, ensuring they don't touch the bottom or sides. You can use clothespins or clips to secure them. Loosely cover the jars with a paper towel or lid to keep dust out while allowing air circulation. Finally, patience is key for growing your sugar-free rock candy. Place the jars in a cool, undisturbed spot where they won't be jostled. Over the next 1 to 2 weeks, you'll see beautiful crystals begin to form and grow on your skewers. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove them from the solution. Let them air dry completely on parchment paper before enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.